Okay, so how do you create the sequence for triangular numbers? That is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. Well, f1 is equal to 1. f2 is simply f1 plus 2, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. f3 is f2 plus 3, which is 3 plus 3, which is 6. f4 is f3 plus 4, which is 6 plus 4, which is 10, etc. Now you set this up by saying f1 is equal to 1, then you say fn is equal to fn minus 1 plus n. Okay, now if you want the first 10 terms, you just replace that n over here with the set 1 to 10. If you want the first 100 terms, then you can change this set into 1 to 100. Okay, so this is how to create the sequence of triangular numbers.